Oh wow, I sound like such a dog, don't I? But you know what? I can sound like a cat as well. So, here it goes. God, my voice. But this is embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. I can also sound like a donkey. Like a donkey. Yes, I can. I can sound like a donkey. Let's see if I still know how to do it. Yes. Oh, 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 oh. What am I doing? Or do you know how to do sheep sounds? I don't know how to do sheep sounds. Funny fact. When I was little, I used to do this sound in front of a bunch of sheep. And they would just stare at me and then bawl back. Because I do sound like a sheep. Oh my gosh. This is such a random video. I hope you find it funny.